So guys, as right now I'm planning to buy JSW stock in the market level itself. So I'll just buy it now around 7.9 and 7.10 levels. So I just bought it now. So let's see how the stock will perform. And yes, today you guys can see the market is actually, it's a gap up opening. Okay, but JSW still, I found this stock was in a good support level. I can tell, like, it's not much of a gap up here. Okay, the market is actually 1.41% up now, and it was almost like 1% gap up itself. And after opening, it just moved like 0.20% up or something like that. But many stocks are already up by 2 or 3%. But I found JSW still stock to have a less percentage change, that is which is within 1.5%, and that's why I selected its stock. Okay, so I bought it, and also it's in a good support level, and also the highest what it has made is very far from here. So that's the reason I thought the stock is in a good support level and I bought it. And also you can see the previous day also the stock was almost range bound. It was closed in the downside itself, and now it has opened in a bit of a gap up section, if you guys can see here. And from now I hope that it can take a support and go up. So that's my view. And if the market is good bullish way, and if the market moves up quicker, then we can expect much movement to happen. So let's wait for it. Okay, so 7:11 now, so let's wait for the stock to go up. And guys, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, the whole process of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit, no complicated and no indicators. Okay, and it's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support. Do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now if you guys can see, the stock has made a high of 713.70 and the market is still there at 1.40% up. So yes, now let me wait for some time and see how the performance will be, and then I'll decide my exit. So yes, we are almost like 3 or 4% up from the level where I bought, and now again it has come down. So yes, as the market is actually gap up, and now we should wait for some time to get the momentum. So let's wait for it. And yes, no stock will go like 1% up or 2% up in the same way until and unless it has some news or something. So this stock is moving actually bit in a linear way, so let's wait for it. Okay, so it has made a high of 713.70 right now, and we're still holding the buy position. So let's wait for the stock to go up yet, and once it goes more higher, we can take the exit is what I am guessing. So let's wait for it. So I guess yes, now you can see that the stock has been range bounded and it has come down from the level where I took, and again it is starting to go up from here. If you guys can see the so the stock is again back to 711 levels, so 712 almost it's touching. So yes, the stock is back to the buying range again. Actually the market is still there itself, 1.4 to 1.3, it's still fluctuating there, but this stock suddenly sellers came in and pushed it down till 7.8 or 7.9 something, and again the stock is back to the buying range, so I'm still holding it. So that's the reason why I didn't exit. Okay, so the market was still in above 1% higher, so that's why I didn't exit, thinking that the stock is in a good support level. So yes, almost the 7.8 and 7.6 levels, 7.7 levels 707 levels are in a good support for JSW Steel. So that's the reason why I still held the stock and it's still in a bullish way. So once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. So let's wait for it. Okay. So I'm still holding the price position. So the new high is still 71713.70. So waiting for that breakout to happen. Okay. So let's wait for some time. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, this is the end of the day chart, and the stock did make an high of almost like 7 to 1.95, and I took my exit somewhere around 7 points target, which is almost 1% of the stock, around 718, somewhere around there. I took my exit, and this was a profit what I was able to book it in the today's state of JSW Steel. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.